This is your medic. You're gonna be safe. Do you wanna see what's inside? Okay. Hey guys, so today we're gonna talk about My Medic, but for your pets. So if you go on hikes, camping, literally just walking through your neighborhood, your dog or your animal could potentially get hurt. So My Medic came out with this cute little medic kit, or for your pet. So let's get into it and see what's inside, shall we? Okay, let's see what's inside. So, I'm gonna have some help. This is Pepper, you guys. All right, let's see what's inside. So we have some gauze pads. We have some gauze sponges. Some more. Some vet wrap. And holy cow, there's so much in here. In this tiny little bag. That's awesome. So this is a first aid supply kit for your dog. So there's a whole bunch of pet supplies in here. So if your dog gets wounded, you're able to take care of that. All right, and then we have just another sterile pad. We have a whole bunch of towelettes. Okay. Wow, there's a lot. There was some aloe in it. Here's a slip leash for your dog. Tweezers. All right, and then also they have a free download when you purchase a medic kit to help you through the process of knowing how to use these items to care for your animal that's in need. So that's pretty nice. Do you guys have a medic kit for your dog when you guys go out on hike or camping? If not, you guys, I went to Amazon to see if I could purchase all of these items for cheaper, and it's definitely not cheaper whatsoever. Plus you get a discount if you click the link below. So I hope this video helped you. Make sure you have a medic kit just in case, because you never know. And also you want to make sure you can protect your loved ones just in case. So definitely have a medic kit for each of your animals. I would feel like this, if she were to get hurt, she's already had stitches on her chest because she ran through barbed wire when she was a little puppy. If we had this medic kit, we could clean her up before we took her to the vet. Obviously she's fine, but if it was that bad, we could have saved her life, then taken her to the vet so they could actually do the professional job. So I'm not a professional. Half of this stuff I really don't know how to use, so I'm gonna make sure that I check out My Medic to make sure that I'm going to do this correctly for my animal. All right, so you're wondering what to do with all of this, right? So what you can do is on My Medic's website, so it's just a kit without any products inside, and you just grab one of these. This is going to be large enough to put all of your medic supplies in here for your dog. So you can attach this to your dog's harness while you're going on walks, or if you're out camping, whatever it may be, you can now be organized and still protect your dog in need. So go check it out today. There's no additional charge to you to use this discount code. It actually gives you a discount. So remember to go check out My Medic. If you have My Medic, make sure you like this video. If you like to support local, go check them out. They are located out in Salt Lake City. I love this company. They have amazing products. Go check it out to see for yourself all of the amazing medic kits that they have available on their website. So I want to know, do you guys have a medic kit for your animal? Put them in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. Okay guys, stay safe, and until next time, bye. No? Do you want a treat? Yeah. All right, see you guys. Let's go.